If you are not a fan of Irish potatoes, you will agree with me that making it at home feels so boring. So today, I said, let me try this one recipe and see how it goes, guys. This recipe, something happened on the way. Anyways, welcome, lovelies. Welcome here, and how are you doing? Today, I'll be making breakfast and lunch for my family, and I'll be starting with potatoes. This is for our breakfast. I'll be making this potato like I said earlier. This is a new recipe, and guys, something happened on the way. I'm not gonna share it until you see it with your own eyes. My kids were like, well, let me leave it for you guys to see what really happened when I was trying this new recipe.
And every cheer, fill the heart with love sincere. Sunsets paint the sky above. Life is full when lived with love. From first steps to schoolyard plays, grateful for these precious days. Through the ups and downs we roam, in this house we make our home. Laugh and cry, then start anew. Family ties will see us through. Mama's love, it's pure and strong. Through the chaos, life's a song. Every hug and every cheer, fill the heart with love sincere.
After mixing the sauce and the potatoes, the carrot sauce, I went ahead to, fry it, guys. You see how these potatoes was, scattering in the pot. It wasn't coming together. Where I saw these potatoes, though they added cheese, but I don't have cheese at the time I made these potatoes. I don't have cheese. I said, okay, I think it will still work without cheese, guys. It did not work. It did not work. It was scattering anyhow, so I had to add in corn flour. That white thing you saw me added is corn flour. That was what saved me. I was like, is my husband going to eat this? Is he going to like this? I had to go and fry plantain. In case he will say I don't like this, then I have another option. But guys, to my greatest surprise, my hubby ate this and remained no crumbs. He even asked for more. I was so super, grateful and, proud of myself. So after having our breakfast, this is what we had for breakfast. After that, I proceeded in making our lunch. As you can see, these potatoes is giving 100.
In the morning, lights so warm, coffee brewing life's a charm. Little hands and
for lunch, I did not do too much, I kept it very simple. Here I'm making puff puff. I added all my ingredients, mixed them together, added my flour, and boom, puff puff is ready. It's very simple to make. What you saw me added is little vanilla essence, but it's optional.
Mama's love, it's pure and strong. Through the chaos, life's a song. Every hug and every cheer, fill the heart with love sincere. Sunsets paint the sky above. Life is full when
I covered it to rest and also double in size. Where that was resting, I went ahead to clean my quail. Guys, this is quail. My hubby bought this. I was like, quail. Tell me if you have eaten quail before. For me, this is the first time of eating quail. When I asked my husband, he said it's very nice, it's very tasty. But after making it, I did not notice any special taste. It's not that it's not good, it's good, but there was no special, taste that's, but it's fine. Have you tasted quail before? So here I went ahead to season it, and then I placed it on my fire to start cooking. While that was cooking, I had to prep my vegetables because I wanted to make a sauce which we will be using to eat the quail and the puff puff that I made earlier.
Mama's love, it's pure and strong. Through the chaos, life's a song. Every hug and every cheer, fill the heart with love sincere.
Here our puff puff is ready. After sitting for almost 1 hour, I will proceed in frying the puff puff.
In the morning, lights so warm, coffee brewing, life's a so warm, coffee brewing, life's a charm. Little hands and minds so tight, every moment feels so right. Laundry piles and scattered toys, endless tasks but simple joys. Smiling faces, dinners made, in these moments memories laid. Mama's love, it's pure and strong. Through the chaos, life's a song. Every hug and every...
So here everything is ready. I'm done frying the puff puff. It's time to serve. You see our quail is sitting pretty well in our plate. But the quail is nice. It tasted good, but there was no special taste. I think chicken tastes more better than quail, but it's not that it's bad. So I served the sauce which we will be using. Look at our plate, it's giving luxury, 100 of minus nothing. So it was evening here. We proceeded to eat outside. Hubby said, my dear wife, you have tried for today, come let me spoil you a little. So here we ate outside. I did not cook dinner, yes, and we enjoyed ourselves. Sit back and enjoy the rest of the video. Are you going to?
We're going to the restaurant and eat spicy fish.
You're going to the restaurant to eat spicy fish?
Yes, we're going to eat.
Do you like spicy fish?
Yes.
Mama's love, it's pure and strong. Through the chaos, life's a song. Every hug and every cheer, fill the heart with love sincere.
There's one other thing.
Package, yeah?
There's one other thing like octopus.
Miles.
Octopus.
Downs we roam, this house we may grow. Laugh and cry and start anew. Family ties will see us through.
It's spicy, don't touch it.
Rest on your... Yes.
Wow, octopus.
In the morning, lights so warm, coffee brewing, life's a charm. Little hands and minds so tight, every moment feels so right. Laundry piles and scattered toys, endless tasks but simple joys. Smiling faces, dinners made, in these moments memories laid. Mama's love, it's pure and strong. Through the chaos, life's a song. Every hug and every cheer, fill the heart with love sincere. Sunsets paint the sky above.
You like it?
Life is full and lived with love. From first steps Grateful for these precious days. Through the ups and downs we roll. In this house we make our home.
Here we are done eating. As you can see, we cleared our plates, we cleared everything, we remained no crumbs, everything was cleared. After that, we proceeded home. Thank you lovelies for watching. Thank you for always stopping by. For my returning subscribers, thank you. If you have not subscribed yet, please do well to subscribe and join this amazing family. Till I see you next time, bye bye.